YouTube friends, it's Elizabeth J with an S. Today I want to talk to you about this Afghan that I have been working on. So I just have it spread out here. I'm actually going to hold it up in just a minute so you can see how big it actually is. It's probably about my height or almost my height at this point if I was, looking at it across one way. But anyway, in my last video I was talking about kit number 8. And for kit number 8, what we were doing was adding on this border right here. So this border is going all the way around the Afghan. And so let me just hold it up for you so you can see exactly how big it is. So it's touching the floor right here. So it's quite large. There's the bottom. Whoops, sorry about shaking the camera. Okay, so that was kit 8 that I just showed you the work for kit 8. So that leaves kits 9 and 10. And I'm going to do them together because really there's only one color left that we have to do to complete this Afghan. And so I'm just going to do both of those kits together. And then when I am finished, I'll show you the whole Afghan and then show you the yarn that I have left over from all of the kits because I do have quite a bit left over. So let's move this out of the way and then we will get into what's left. Okay, so this is kit 9 and kit 10. As you can see, it's all the cream colored yarn. This is what it looks like. I'm not really going to take it all out of the bags, but let's get the kit's instructions out and we can take a look at that. So the first one, kit 9, turn it around and zoom in. Okay, so here is kit 9. So what we previously had done was this inner purple. Let me just get my crochet hook. We had done this inner border and now we're doing this outer border here. So everything in between with this little cross hatch stitch we'll be doing in kit 9. So that's kit 9. Let's take a look at kit 10. And then kit 10 is going to be between these two. Oops. Okay, and so kit 10 is going to be between these two purple bordered areas. So this edging and then the tassels at the end. So not much left to go. Yeah, so basically I will complete both of these and then show you the whole Afghan since it's just the two colors and I'm really anxious to get it done. It's come out really nice. So let's just take a look inside. So for kit 9, this is the pattern that we'll be doing. Looks like some interesting stitches there, all in the cream yarn. They've provided us with 5 skeins. We're supposed to use all of them. We'll see how that goes. And then for kit 10, so for kit 10, we'll be doing this border decoration here in this indigo, I believe it is. Indigo, yes. And then we also will be putting these tassels on where we have some Rococo Rose on there, and they are showing us how to do the tassel. They have an alternative style tassel that we can do, I guess without the little braidy bits here. We'll see which one I prefer. And here's another alternative to the tassel. So they give you some various alternatives that you can use, which is really nice. So I do have to say one thing. So basically this is what comes in the kits, a whole bunch of cream, and then we'll just use some of the previous yarns to do the little bits of color that are in the pattern. Now I have said in the past that they have videos for every pattern, both left-handed versions and right-handed versions. It's great, although I did notice in the last video that they didn't actually walk you through the whole thing around, and I personally had a little bit of confusion for some of the, especially the corner areas. So they didn't actually show you a whole one round they just started off the repetitive pattern and then said, okay, we'll meet you when you are finished all the way around, without actually showing what to do at the corners. And so that confused me a little bit. I was able to follow the paper pattern and, as best possible, and I think I've done it correctly, but anyway, we'll see when it comes to, the arrangement of the whole Afghan, if everything is square. Anyway, that's the only comment that I wanted to make so far. Again, for newbies, I am using this crochet hook, which is a size 5.5 millimeter or I size hook. It's the one I've used from the very beginning, so I'm just going to continue with this one. And I will see you around again in the next video, where I will have finished the Afghan and we see what is left over from 10 subscription boxes of yarn. Have a really great day.